Dear seekers of abundance, are you ready to open the doors to your dreams? Do you desire wealth, fulfillment, and divine guidance to walk the path of infinite possibilities? Today, Prosperity invites you on a transformative journey to harness the mystical power of the ancient mantra, Yeseraye Effata. These sacred words, passed down through time and rooted in the wisdom of King Solomon, hold the keys to unlock a surreal, immediate connection to your heart's deepest desires. As we begin, ask yourself, what is the one thing you truly desire? Peace? Freedom? Keep this in mind, for you are about to enter a powerful state of divine alignment. The path begins now. Let's dive deeply into the mysteries of these sacred words. In the Chronicles of Time, King Solomon is celebrated as the epitome of wisdom, wealth, and divine favor. He was not just a ruler but a conduit for celestial mysteries. Do you know that his immense wealth and influence are not merely the result of earthly strategies? According to sacred texts, Solomon wielded knowledge far beyond the grasp of ordinary mortals. The ancient records reveal that Solomon, recognized both in the Bible and Islamic tradition, had celestial beings at his command, beings who guided him, revealed hidden treasures, and worked tirelessly to fulfill his desires. Imagine having access to such power. Now you do. Within his legendary works, such as the Clavicula Salomonis, Key of Solomon, two sacred words stand out, Yeseraye and Effata. These words, charged with spiritual energy, were said to bridge the human realm and the divine, granting unlimited access to abundance. Yeseraye is no ordinary invocation. It signifies the eternal nature of God, without beginning or end. When you call upon Yeseraye, you connect with the infinite source of creation, aligning your desires with divine will. Effata, on the other hand, translates to be opened. This word commands all doors, paths, and opportunities to unveil themselves before you. It is the ultimate key to manifesting your desires. Now, pause for a moment. Reflect on this legacy. Do you feel the energy coursing through these words? Imagine the power that lies within them. These are not just words, they are divine instruments of transformation, passed down from a king who knew the secrets of heaven and earth. But this is just the beginning. Are you ready to harness these sacred words in your life? Let's move deeper into their meaning and the steps to unlock their full potential. Now, let us delve into the profound meaning behind these two sacred words, Yeseraye and Effata. These are not merely sounds or chants, they are divine codes, charged with a mystical force that has the potential to transform your reality. But to fully unlock their power, we must first understand what they truly mean. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the infinite, a vast, unending source of energy and light. This is the essence of Yeseraye. The word embodies the eternal nature of God, the Creator, the source of all abundance and possibilities. It is a name that transcends time, space, and human understanding. When you speak Yeseraye, you are calling upon the infinite energy of the divine. You are connecting yourself to a force that knows no limitations, no boundaries, and no constraints. Think about that. In a world where everything feels finite, money, time, opportunities, this word taps into the limitless. Do you feel stuck, like your opportunities are running out? Do you sometimes believe that your desires are too big to be fulfilled? When you invoke Yeseraye, you align your spirit with the infinite nature of God. You are declaring that your dreams and desires are not limited by human restrictions. You are calling on a power that existed before the beginning of time and will continue beyond its end. Now, imagine standing before a massive, ancient door, one that holds everything you've ever desired behind it. The door feels heavy, locked, impossible to open. But then, you speak a single word, Effata, and suddenly, the door swings wide open. This is the power of Effata. Effata means be opened, and it is a command, not a request. It is a word that holds the authority to unlock pathways, remove obstacles, and clear blockages. No matter how closed off your opportunities may seem, Effata declares that they must open. Are there doors in your life that feel permanently shut? Do you face obstacles that seem immovable? By repeating Effata, you are telling the universe that nothing can stand in your way. You are aligning your intentions with divine will, which is to see you prosper and thrive. You are opening the gates to abundance, success, and fulfillment. Now, imagine the synergy of these two words. When you speak Yeseraye Effata, you are doing two things simultaneously. Connecting to the infinite source of abundance, Yeseraye. You align yourself with the eternal, unending energy of God. You are stepping into a flow of limitless possibilities. Commanding all doors to open, Effata. You declare that no obstacle, no barrier, and no force can stand in the way of your desires. This combination is not just powerful, it is unstoppable. It is the divine formula that King Solomon himself used to achieve unparalleled wealth, wisdom, and success. And now it is yours to use. But how do we bring these words into action? How can you use them to manifest your deepest desires? Let's explore the step-by-step instructions that will allow you to unlock their full potential. Now that you understand the profound power of Yeseraye and Effata, it's time to take action. Knowledge without practice is like a locked treasure chest. You need the key to open it. These steps will guide you to unlock the divine potential of these sacred words and manifest your deepest desires. Step 1. Clarify your desire. Before you begin, ask yourself, what is it that I truly want? Not in vague terms, but with crystal clear precision. Imagine it as if it is already yours. Is it wealth? A fulfilling relationship? Good health? Success in your endeavors? Take a moment to visualize this desire. Picture it in vivid detail. Feel the emotions as if you already possess it. The clearer your desire, the stronger the energy you will channel through Yeseraye Effata. Now, write your desire down. Use a clean piece of paper and express your wish in a positive and present tense statement, as if it has already been fulfilled. For example, I am grateful for the financial abundance that flows effortlessly into my life. I am surrounded by love and harmony in my relationships. My body is vibrant, healthy, and full of energy. At the end of your statement, write the mantra Yeseraye Effata 3 times. Step 2. Set the stage for divine alignment. The environment in which you perform this practice is important. Create a sacred space where you can connect deeply with the divine. This can be your bedroom, a quiet corner, or anywhere you feel calm and focused. Dim the lights or light a candle to signify your intention. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Release any tension or distractions. Hold your written desire in your hands and feel its energy. Remember, this is not just a ritual. It's a moment of sacred communion with the infinite source of abundance. Step 3. Chant the mantra with faith. Now comes the heart of the practice, repeating the mantra Yeseraye Effata with unwavering faith. Hold your written desire close to your heart and speak the words aloud. Yeseraye. Feel yourself connecting to the infinite, eternal source of divine energy. Effata. Command the pathways to your desire to open, removing all obstacles. Repeat the mantra until it feels natural, as if the words are becoming a part of your very being. Some traditions suggest chanting it 108 times, but as Jesus said, even the faith of a mustard seed is enough. What matters most is the sincerity and conviction in your heart. Step 4. Place your desire under your pillow. Before you go to sleep, place your written desire under your pillow. This symbolizes resting your dreams in the care of the divine. As you lie down, repeat the mantra Yeseraye Effata softly to yourself, letting it guide you into a peaceful, faith-filled sleep. Imagine the doors to your desires opening as you drift into slumber. Trust that the divine is already working to align your life with your intentions. Step 5. Release and trust. Once you have performed this practice, let go of any doubt or worry. The key to manifesting is trust. Know that the divine timing is perfect, and your desire is already on its way. Releasing attachment to the outcome allows the universe to work its magic unhindered. By following these steps, you are activating a powerful force that has the potential to transform your life. This is not merely a ritual, it is a spiritual partnership between you and the divine. Faith is the cornerstone of any spiritual practice. Without it, even the most powerful words or rituals lose their effectiveness. In this section, we'll explore the profound role faith and repetition play in manifesting your desires using the mantra Yesarei Effata. The power of faith. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly while others struggle despite working tirelessly? The answer often lies in their level of belief. Faith is more than just hope. It is a deep, unshakable conviction that what you desire is not only possible but already on its way to you. Jesus himself said, "If you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, 'Move from here to there,' and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you." This statement reveals a profound truth. Even the smallest amount of genuine faith can create miracles. When you chant Yesarei Effata, it's not just the sound of the words that matters, it's the energy and belief behind them. These words are keys, but your faith is what turns the lock. Why is repetition so important in spiritual practices? The answer lies in the way our minds and spirits absorb energy and intention. Each time you repeat the mantra Yesarei Effata, you are reinforcing your connection to the divine and embedding your desire into your subconscious mind. Repetition creates a rhythm, a flow, that aligns your energy with the universe. It's like planting a seed and watering it daily. Each repetition nourishes your intention until it blooms into reality. Faith can be cultivated even if you don't feel entirely convinced at first. Here's how repetition can help you deepen your belief. Consistency is key. Commit to repeating the mantra daily, whether it's 108 times or simply until you feel a sense of peace and alignment. Faith grows through practice. Engage your senses, speak the words out loud, feel their vibration in your throat, and visualize their energy spreading throughout your body. The more senses you involve, the more powerful the connection becomes. Focus on gratitude. As you chant, imagine yourself already living your desired reality. Feel gratitude as if it's already yours. Gratitude is one of the most potent amplifiers of faith. Celebrate small signs. The universe often sends small signs that your intention is unfolding. Celebrate these moments. They are proof that your faith and repetition are working. Doubt is the greatest enemy of manifestation. It's natural to feel moments of uncertainty, but remember this: doubt is merely a sign that your old beliefs are being challenged. Instead of resisting doubt, acknowledge it and replace it with faith. Whenever doubt arises, repeat Yesarei Effata and remind yourself of its meaning. Yesarei, you are connected to the infinite power of God. Effata, all doors are opening for you. With each repetition, you are choosing faith over fear, possibility over limitation. Repetition isn't just about saying the words, it's about creating a mindset. With each chant of Yesarei Effata, you are rewiring your thoughts to align with abundance, possibility, and divine guidance. Ask yourself, what if everything I desire is already on its way to me? How would I feel if I knew the universe was working tirelessly on my behalf? Hold on to these feelings as you chant. Faith is not just believing, it's feeling, knowing, and trusting. With faith and repetition, the mantra Yesarei Effata becomes more than a practice. It becomes a way of life. A life where abundance flows freely, obstacles dissolve, and your desires manifest with divine ease. As we come to the final section of this transformative journey, it's time to embrace the uplifting truth. The power of Yesarei Effata is not a myth or mere tradition. It is a living, breathing force that has touched countless lives. Through faith, repetition, and alignment, this divine mantra has opened doors, fulfilled dreams, and brought unimaginable blessings. Imagine someone standing at the crossroads of despair, facing insurmountable obstacles, financial struggles, broken relationships, or a loss of direction. Now imagine that same person, just days or weeks later, radiant with joy and gratitude, because the practice of Yeseraye Effata turned their life around. Countless testimonies speak of miraculous changes. A woman burdened by debt who chanted Yeseraye Effata nightly and suddenly found herself with a new job opportunity and unexpected financial support. A man on the brink of losing his home who invoked the mantra with unwavering faith, only to have the needed funds materialize just in time. A family that had been fractured by conflict finding peace and harmony after collectively chanting Yeseraye Effata with clear intention. These are not coincidences. They are the fruits of divine alignment. The mantra works because it calls upon forces beyond human understanding. Now, imagine your own testimony. Picture yourself sharing how Yeseraye Effata opened doors you thought were permanently closed. Feel the joy of seeing your dreams unfold before your eyes. This is not a distant possibility, it is your reality waiting to be claimed. Ask yourself, what story will I tell about my transformation? How will I inspire others with the blessings I've received? Hold on to these questions as you continue your practice. They are the seeds of the testimony you are about to create. Let us end this journey with a powerful declaration. I am ready to receive the abundance, love, and success that is my birthright. Through the divine mantra Yeseraye Effata, I connect to the infinite source of creation and command all doors to my desires to open. With faith as my guide and gratitude in my heart, I step boldly into the life I am destined to live. Yeseraye Effata, Yeseraye Effata, Yeseraye Effata. Now take a deep breath. Feel the energy of these words enveloping you, guiding you, empowering you. You are not alone in this journey. Divine forces are working alongside you. If this message has resonated with you, it's time to take the first step. Write your desire, chant the mantra, and trust in the process. Share your journey with us in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to begin their own. Thank you for joining us on this path of transformation. Remember, Yeseraye Effata is more than a mantra. It is a gateway to a life of limitless possibilities. The doors are already opening. Step through them with faith, and watch as your dreams become your reality. Go forth with courage, faith, and the power of Yeseraye Effata in your heart.